Welcome to today's listening practice. You will hear a short briefing from a sports club manager. Listen carefully and then answer the true or false questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming today. I know you're all busy, so I'll keep this talk short. I have some important information about changes at our sports club. As you already know, our main football coach, Mr. Brown, is leaving at the end of this week. A new coach will join us at the beginning of next month. Until then, training sessions will continue as usual. I have two more quick points. Firstly, the changing rooms will be closed for repairs next month for about 3 weeks. During that time, you will need to use the temporary changing rooms near the tennis courts. Don't worry, there will be signs to help you find them. Please arrive at least 10 minutes earlier than usual so you have enough time to get ready before training starts. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is that the club café now has a new payment system. You can no longer pay with cash. You can pay by card or with your phone instead. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Does anyone have any questions? Now it's time to answer the questions. Read each sentence carefully and decide if it is true or false based on the information in the briefing. If you're not sure, you can listen again. Let's get started. Question number 1. The speaker says the talk will be short. The answer is true. Question number 2. The new football coach will start next week. The answer is false. The new coach will start at the beginning of next month. Question number 3. Training sessions will stop until the new coach arrives. The answer is false. Training sessions will continue as usual. Question number 4. The changing rooms will be closed for repairs. The answer is true. The changing rooms will be closed for repairs. Question 5. Club members should arrive 10 minutes later than usual. The answer is false. Members should arrive 10 minutes earlier. Question number 6. You can still pay with cash in the club café. The answer is false. Cash is no longer accepted. Payment is by card or phone. That's the end of this listening activity. Check your answers and listen again if necessary. The more you listen, the more confident you will become. Well done and good luck with your English studies.